If you love being two wheels down to the ground and being on a motorcycle, there's some things that you need to absolutely be religious about, and I mean maintenance. You want to make sure that your tires are inflated. You want to make sure that your oil is changed. You want to make sure that your chain is lubricated, that your brakes are in good condition. On a motorcycle, we are far more at danger and at risk. Besides wearing all the safety gear, you're still just a piece of meat on two wheels flying down the freeway or whatever road you're driving with an engine combusting between your legs. So today we're going to be servicing the chain on the bike. I haven't serviced a chain on the bike in forever, I hate to admit. And when I got my motorcycle jack, because I was planning to do my rear wheel, they also gave me a brush in there, which is brilliant. I'm going to already apply that now. I want to get this chain cleaned up because it's looking a little rusty. Also, make sure that you have the proper tension on your chain. On my Ducati, it has actually right here on the arm, it tells me how much play I'm supposed to have. So make sure that you're checking this every so often. Chains are metal. Metal is malleable. It can stretch, it can contract, and it can deteriorate over time. So you want to make sure that your chain has not been stretching so much that this is starting to wiggle around. First thing we're going to do is just clean it up. So I have the bike up on a jack. I have it in neutral so I can spin the rear wheel freely. We're going to get it nice and cleaned up. All right, so I'm imagining this may get a little dirty. We're just going to set up some very basic safety precautions. Like this piece of cardboard behind. Try to make sure the piece of cardboard does not get caught in the chain. All right. Gonna just do some brake clean. I'm gonna run the length of the chain. We're working with this kind of tool. You see your brushes on all sides, so it's gonna brush our chain on all sides. So first of all, I'm going to just spray down the brake clean and then run it through the brush. Try not to get high off the brake clean. So once we get our chain nice and cleaned up, we want to hit it with some kind of chain wax. Chain wax, you'll find a whole bunch of different options. This is some that I've had for my old bike. So same story. We want to apply a liberal amount of wax to make sure you get all of the links nice and well lubricated. Put on some kind of a back guard so you don't get wax all over your wheel. Okay, and you should see that the same wet links are making it around. We just want to get the chain, if we can, from all directions that we're doing the inside of it, right? Same way we want to do the outside. So I'm just going to position this underneath and give it a nice run through. We should not be seeing any dry parts. You can see some through here, which will be the underside of the chain. And here you can see the inside of the chain, which, you know, is going to be a little more difficult to see here. One more thing, you may want to wear a mask when you do this. Seriously. All right, so our little splash shield worked well. Chain does look fairly lubricated. It really doesn't take much. That's it, my chain is lubed. Now, of course, I still want to make sure that my distance is going to be how I want it. It tells you how much distance you can have from when you're all the way up tight to all the way down bottom. It tells you a permittable amount of slack. You don't want it too tight. You don't want it too loose. Right, like with much of life, you want it just right. So if I know my chain is in good condition, I can ride safer. I had one bike where my chain actually locked up. I was driving once, and it was my first bike. I did not understand about proper maintenance, and the chain got so loose that it skipped off and jammed up in my sprocket. It was a pain in the butt to change. I ended up changing it, but some basic maintenance is going to make sure you never have to encounter that. Keep your bike in good running condition, because you know when the season turns and spring comes or summer, or if you're badass, you ride in the winter, you hop on your bike after a long break, you want to make sure that everything is in good operational condition. Last place you want to find out is on the road that you missed some maintenance. Either way, guys, stay safe. See you on the road.